Are you excited to be home? Yay! She's home, you guys! So today I'm just taking you guys along with me while I paint my table. You guys know I thrifted this table off of Facebook Marketplace and I paid $25 for it. I needed to go ahead and get the base screwed into the top of the table because it wasn't attached before, and so I just wanted to go ahead and make sure that that is taking place. So that is what I'm doing now. That's Nyla in the background, by the way, and I'm just going ahead and screwing it all in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start painting. Y'all, this has been a much needed project. I am starting to get ready to get the house a little bit more cozier and get all the furnishings in. So I want to definitely get the chairs in and the benches and just kind of start getting this little nook, this little area ready, because I'm ready, you guys. I'm ready to start decorating. I'm ready to start doing tablescapes and getting ready for the holidays season. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'm just testing it to make sure that it's not falling apart or it's not falling, the top is not falling off from itself. So this is the paint that I'm using, the Rust-Oleum Ultra, and also this paintbrush. I love using these angle brushes because they're so much easier to use, in my opinion. So that's what I'm going to get ready to start doing now, is just painting and getting this table ready.
I know you've heard it all before, but you are the love of my life. When you came through the door that you are the love of my life. Nothing's hard, everything is easy with you around. No bombards, everything is easy when you come around. Oh.
So I like to put my paintbrushes in a Ziploc bag or plastic bag and keep them in there because I'm not completely done using them, but I'm letting the paint dry in between. And so this is just a hack for you. If you don't know, you probably do, but if you don't know, putting it in a Ziploc will keep it from drying out. So I just put it in a zippy and then I go ahead and put it on top of the paint can. Hey fams, happy Sunday. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful Sunday. Didn't really film much, and this video is going up today, but it might be late. I'm not really sure. It's been kind of a week. But I did paint my dining room table, and I took you guys along for that for a little bit, and I'm going to show you the results of it here in a little bit, but I really didn't film much. Just a lot is going on, and y'all, I just feel so sad. I don't know, I feel so, almost feel like alone. I miss my mom, my dad, my friends. It's just a lot going on and dealing with a lot, and I feel like it's kind of coming from every angle. And I just feel full. I feel overwhelmed and stressed, but it's crazy because I'm actually contemplating moving back to New York. just a lot. It's very heavy, but I don't know. I love it here. I do. I love it here. It's absolutely beautiful, but it's just a lot, you guys. But I'm not gonna complain. Not gonna cry over milks that's already spilled. Just gonna keep going. But I just wanted to say hi to you guys and hope you guys are having a fantabulous Sunday. We went to church this morning and that was cool. The message was pretty great. It was about not reacting, because when you react, you reflect that what you're reacting to, but making sound decisions. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys the table. So this is the table, you guys, and this is what it looks like. I love the way that it turned out. It is so pretty. And can you actually see the vision of having the benches here and there, and the chairs and the rug and pillows and artwork, photo wall. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the paint. I love the fact that it's glossy, because it's going to be so easy to clean and to wipe down. And I was able to even get it, secured safely. Nylas calling me. She wants me to turn her TV on. She keeps touching the TV and it keeps shutting off. Yes? Your TV? Okay, I'm coming. So that's it. That's the table. That's the way that it's looking. And I am so loving it, you guys. It looks so good. Oh my goodness. Just the base of it. It just, I cannot believe I paid $25 for this table, you guys. I just cannot believe. It looks so good. Still gotta get this out of here and into the garage. But just kind of hanging out today. It's Sunday. It's chill, relaxed day. It's the day of rest. And I'm kind of just hanging out by myself and my lonesome self, you guys. And I'm watching, Christmas vlogs. And hopefully I'm going to start getting ready to start decorating here soon. I'm excited about the table because I can actually, come up with a tablescape for Thanksgiving and Christmas. So I'm excited about that. But I just wanted to pop in and say hello. I mean, this is probably going to be the shortest vlog that I've ever done. But I just wanted to pop in and just say hello to you guys, because I didn't make a video on Wednesday or Friday just because a lot's been going on, and I just have not had the time to pick up the camera and film anything at all. Work has been crazy. I had an IEP meeting this week for Nyla for a new school, which thank God she finally got into. So in 2 weeks, she's going to be starting that. And just doing lots of paperwork and lots of surprises that kind of derailed me a little bit and kind of gave me uppercuts, if that makes sense. I felt like this week I've been totally punched in the gut so many times. And though it's not setbacks, you know, it's truly setups. I like to look at my circumstances and situations positively and look at the outcome and respond instead of reacting. So, you know, I'm just trying to figure out things. My heart is heavy. My heart is broken. And I just feel so defeated. I feel so defeated, fams. I do. And I know it's not going to always be like this. And y'all know I am not a negative person. I try to stay as positive as I can. But I feel so defeated. But y'all keep me in prayer. And I will see you guys hopefully on Wednesday. All right? So thank you guys so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your Sunday and your family. And I will see you guys very soon. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.